Unlike standard keyword search tools, Semantic Visions Search allows users to build queries across categories, semantically defined and mapped topics across languages. Getting started is easy. But first, let's try searching with keywords to see the difference. Type a word or a phrase in the search bar. Now look at the results. As you might expect, the majority of your results are in English because your query was in English. Now let's try using semantic categories, which will help narrow your results and deliver them in languages other than your search language. To find a semantic category using the suggester feature, type the / key plus the first 3 letters of the topic you're looking for. Alternatively, you can find relevant semantic categories on the right side of the search results screen. These categories are extracted from the returned articles and grouped in thematic facets. Find the semantic category you're interested in. The semantic category line shows the number of articles corresponding to that category in relation to the time period and the language you've chosen. Now click on the semantic category you're interested in. Compare the results with those from the keyword search. With semantic categories, the results include a higher volume of articles, but at the same time, they are more relevant and returned in all languages, not just English. This is because semantic categories are the result of complex definitions that Semantic Visions' ontology experts have created. They cover and categorize the entire spectrum of open source online news in 12 languages, so that one category has the same concept across the languages we search. In total, more than 80,000 semantic categories make up the metadata that is ascribed to individual articles and documents. If you still need to expand or narrow your search query, use the logical operators AND, OR, and NOT to combine additional categories, creating a new search. Take care to add categories in the right order. When you click a logical operator for a category, your current search query will be enclosed in brackets before the logical operator and category are added to the end of your query. Clicking an operator will add the desired category to the search bar. You can also type the syntax directly into the bar. To reduce search result noise even further, try the category filter. Tick the categories you'd like to exclude from your search results to be sure that the articles returned are not related to either. And that's a brief introduction to building a query with semantic categories. For more videos and tutorials, visit our YouTube page or visit our homepage at semantic-visions.com.